Hello friends, myself Karishma Kalsara. I am teaching assistant at Sri Sajanand Institute of Science and Technology at Microbiology Department. Today's our topic is ED pathway, Entner-Doudoroff pathway, paper number 404, unit 2. Now, what is ED pathway? ED pathway is an alternative pathway that catalyzes glucose to pyruvate using a set of enzymes different from those used in either glycolysis or the pentose phosphate pathway or PPP pathway. This pathway, first recorded by the Michel Doudoroff and Nathan Entner, occur only in prokaryotes. Mostly in gram-negative bacteria such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Azotobacter and Rhodobium, etc. Many prokaryotes have another pathway for the degradation of carbohydrates called ED pathway. मतलब એવા ઘણા બધા પ્રોકેરિયોટ્સ છે જે કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટના ડિગ્રેડેશન માટે ED પાથવેનો યુઝ કરતા હોય છે. The other pathway that we have been studying are common to all cells, whether they be prokaryotes or eukaryotes. But the ED pathway has been found almost entirely among the prokaryotes, including bacteria and archaea, particularly among the aerobic gram-negative bacteria, not found among anaerobic bacteria, perhaps because of the low ATP yield. मतलब एनएरोबिक બેક્ટેરિયા પાસે લો એટીપી yield છે, એ લોકો એટીપી વધારે કન્ઝ્યુમ કરી શકતા નથી, એના લીધે ED પાથવે એનએરોબિક ઓર્ગેનિઝમ્સમાં ફાઉન્ડ થતો નથી. Mostly anaerobic organisms degrade sugar via embedment Mayer of Parnas pathway, in short EMP pathway. But when grow on a certain compound like gluconic acid, they use ED pathway. Like આપણે કોઈ અલગથી એને ગ્રો થવા માટે સર્ટેન કમ્પાઉન્ડ ગ્લુકોનિક એસિડવાળું મીડિયમ એને પ્રોવાઈડ કરતા હોઈએ તો એ EMPની જગ્યાએ ED પાથવે યુઝ કરતા હોય છે. However, some strictly aerobic bacteria can't carry out stage 1 of EMP pathway and entirely of ED pathway to sugar degradation. मतलब કે એરોબિક બેક્ટેરિયા હોય, ઘણા સ્ટ્રિક્ટલી એરોબિક હોય, એ લોકો સ્ટેજ 1 EMP પાથવેના સ્ટેજ 1 ને કેરી આઉટ કરતા નથી, એના લીધે એ લોકો ED પાથવે શુગર ડિગ્રેડેશન માટે ચૂઝ કરતા હોય છે. The overall reaction for the ED pathway is glucose plus NADP plus NAD plus ADP plus photon PI convert into 2 pyruvic acid. मतलब glucose converted into 2 pyruvic acid, NADP converted into NADPH plus 2H plus, NAD plus converted into NADH and ADP converted into ATP. Now in this cycle, glucose converted into glucose 6-phosphate to the help of hexokinase enzyme, ATP converted into ADP. The first oxidation is the oxidation of first carbon in glucose 6-phosphate to the carboxyl, the first carbon to the carboxyl in 6-phosphate gluconate. Then here conversion of glucose 6-phosphate into 6-phosphate gluconate, NADP converted into NADPH and Mg plus 2 is released. Now 6-phosphate glucolactone converted into 6-phosphate gluconate with the help of enzyme lactonase. Here H2O is added. Now 6-phosphate gluconate is converted into 2-keto-3-deoxy-6-phosphate glucanase, in short KDPG, with the help of gluconate dehydrogenase enzyme. The pathway diverges from the pentose phosphate pathway PPP at the point because some of 6p-gluconate degraded to 2-keto-3-deoxy-6p-glucanate KDPG rather than the being oxidized of ribulose 5-phosphate. The KDPG is split by KDPG aldolase 2 pyruvate and pyruvate. The phosphoglyceraldehyde is oxidized to pyruvate in the sequence of reaction identical to the stage of 2 of the EMP pathway. Now 2-keto-3-deoxy-6p-glucanate KDPG converted into glucose 3-phosphate with the help of KDPG aldolase enzyme. Now this glucose 3-phosphate converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate with the help of triose phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here NAD plus converted into NADH plus and H plus. Then after 1,3-bisphosphate glycerate converted into 3-phosphate glycerate with the help of PGA kinase enzyme, and ADP converted into ATP. Now this 3-phosphate glycerate converted into 2-phosphate glycerate, and this 2-phosphate glycerate converted into phosphoenol pyruvate with the help of analase enzyme. Here H2O is released. Now this phosphoenol pyruvate converted into pyruvate with the help of pyruvate kinase, and ADP converted into ATP. Here pyruvate is the last product of this pathway, and glucose finally converted into pyruvate. Modifying ED pathway. Modifying ED pathway has been found in the Archaea, Halobacterium, Saccharovium, in the several bacteria like Clostridium. The pathway is characterized as a non-phosphorylated intermediate prior to 2-keto-3-deoxygluconate. मतलब कि आ पाथवे में नॉन फोस्फोराइलेटेड इंटरमीडिएट अल्फा कीटो 3 डायोक्सीग्लुकोनेट होतु नथी. Ordinary ED reaction. L-histidine converted into histamine plus CO2 with the help of histidine decarboxylase enzyme. This is the normal ordinary ED reaction. Second ordinary reaction is 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine DOPA converted into dopamine plus CO2 with the help of DOPA decarboxylase enzyme. And the other example of ordinary ED pathway is L-glutamic acid converted into alpha aminobutyric acid with the help of glutamic decarboxylase. The ED pathway has a net yield of 1 ATP for every glucose molecule proceed, as well as 1 NADH and 1 NADPH. Now this is the ED pathway. Thank you.